Hello. As I said, I gathered some questions from College Board. So we have question 3, calculus. Find the limits of 5x to the fourth plus 8x to the second divided by 3x squared minus 16x squared when x approaches infinity. If you substitute for x equals 0, then will be a 0 plus 0 divided by 0 minus 0. All will be 0 over 0. 0 over 0 is not a number. It's undefined. So we have to find some way to find the limits. On this case, we try to take the common here. See that we have common here, which is at the top here, x squared is common. So let's take it out. So limit when x approaches infinity 0, take x squared out. Then divide all by x squared. 5x to the fourth divided by x squared will be 5x squared. Then 8x squared divided by x squared, 8 left. Divide by, we take the same here, take x squared out. Then divide 3x to the fourth divided by x squared. 3x squared. And negative 16x squared divided by x squared is negative 16. Then you see x squared and x squared could be cancelled, and now the function is ready to work on it. Just plug it in 0. Substitute for x equals 0. When you substitute for x equals 0, the top will be 5 times 0 squared, which is still 0, plus 8. And the bottom will be 3 times 0 squared, which is still 0, minus 16. So it will be 0 plus 8 is 8, divided by 0 minus 16 is negative 16. Then simplify 8 with negative 16, the answer is negative a half. That's question 3. Question 4. Given the function f of x equals cosine 3x, then find the derivative at pi over 9. Okay, so let's write the function first. Okay. Function f of x equals cosine 3x. We're going to find the derivative first at x. And then when we finish the derivative, we substitute for pi over x. So the derivative of cosine, I heard you, it's negative sine. So let's do that. First, find the derivative of cosine. Put it over here. Doesn't matter what it has. So derivative of cosine is negative sine of 3x times the derivative inside, derivative of 3x, which is 3. So finally, this function, the derivative of the function, equals negative 3 sine 3x. Now we substitute for pi over 9. We want to finish the derivative as x equals pi over 9. So it's a negative 3 sine 3 times pi over 9. Then cancel out 3 with 9. It's going to be pi over 3. So let's do it here. So it's negative 3 sine pi over 3. Pi over 3, it's a 180 divided by 3 is 60 in a degree system. And sine of 60, as you know, sine of 60 is a square root of 3 over 2. Square root of 3 over 2. And we still have here negative 3. So it will be negative 3 square root of 3 over 2. This is the final answer, which is E.